Hey, it's that time again to change the battery for your smoke detectors and your carbon monoxide detectors. Once you open it up, you have your battery compartment. You need to know which way to put the battery. Is it this way, this way? Do you turn it different directions? If you look at it and you're not familiar with it, the metal contacts, this side right here, is where the contacts of the battery goes. The other side doesn't have any. Okay, just plastic. Now, what's the orientation? It tells you on here. I mean, you probably have to look very carefully, but there's a marking, a negative and a positive. You can see it. On your battery, same thing. It tells you what a positive is, that one right there. So you match up that with the marking here. So it's this way, okay? Now, if you don't have a marking and you can't figure it out, you can follow the leads of those contacts. See if that one is going to the circuit board. And if you look very carefully back there, there's a plus sign. That's your positive. If you follow the other one, go in here, and you look on the board, see the negative mark? That's your negative. So you can go by that, you can go by the marking, and hopefully you'll be able to get it to work. I believe also these contacts are different in the sense, the spring activity of it. So you can't make a mistake, okay? If you look at it very carefully, one is a little bit longer. This one here, the negative. The positive is a little bit longer, so it will not fit the other way. So if you have a hard time putting it in, that means you have it the wrong way. So spin it over, and if it sits in nice and easily, then you got it right. Once you change the battery, close it up, test it, make sure it's running, okay? The other thing I like to do is put a marking here of the date when you change the battery, so you don't forget. It will remind you, of course. It will beep continuously every 30 seconds or so, telling you the battery is dying, so you have to change it. But it's a good, idea to put the date on it, so before it does stop beeping on you and annoying you, you change the battery. Also remember, these do have a time limit on it. It's an expiration. This is done November 24th, 2021. Usually these are good for 5 years. So I'm pretty close. So I got 21 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5. This is my 4th year. Yes, I had to use my fingers. So this is my 4th year. So probably next year I might have to replace this. All right? Play it safe. Be ready. Okay? Family is important. Life is important. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.